A Muscogee Creek Nation court judge sided with two Creek Freedmen who were denied citizenship in the tribe. We've been covering this story from the very beginning. Our 2 News anchor Naomi Keitt is live at the Greenwood Cultural Center tonight, digging into that decision for us tonight. Naomi?
Karen, Demario Solomon Simmons, who's the lead attorney in this case, is hosting a press conference here at the Greenwood Cultural Center in just a few minutes. I saw him walk in a couple of minutes ago. He tells me that this decision will reinstate the rightful citizenship for Black Creeks. This is a win for the plaintiffs, Rhonda, Grayson, and Jeff Kennedy. I saw them walk in too just a couple of minutes ago. But from the Freedmen I talked with today, they say this could be a step in the right direction for hundreds of others. It's been 5 months since Rhonda, Grayson, and Jeff Kennedy were in Muscogee Creek Nation District Court fighting for their citizenship into the tribe. But Wednesday, Judge Danette Mauser ruled in their favor. She said when they were denied citizenship, it was contrary to law. So she ordered the Citizenship Board of the nation to reconsider their applications.
I was just very, very pleased.
Marilyn Van is the president of the Descendants of Freedmen of the 5 Civilized Tribes Association. She's been closely following this case as her organization works to fight for the rights of freedmen.
This would open the door to 30,000, 25,000 people who also have a Creek Freedman ancestor.
Demario Solomon Simmons is lead attorney on the case, saying the decision, quote, affirms that Article 2 of the Treaty of 1866 is the supreme law of the land. It gives citizenship rights to Creeks of African descent.
This is a big step forward for the Creek Freedmen and their rights to justice.
In her ruling, the judge said, quote, the nation has urged in McGirt and that the Supreme Court agreed that the treaty is in fact intact and binding. She went on to say, to now assert that Article 2 of the treaty does not apply to the nation would be disingenuous. But Muscogee Creek Nation Attorney General Jerry Weisner still says their constitution doesn't support this. In a statement, she said in part, quote, we respect the authority of our court, but strongly disagree with Judge Mauser's deeply flawed reasoning in this matter. They plan to appeal the case to the Muscogee Creek Nation Supreme Court. When Rhonda, Grayson, and Jeff Kennedy walked by me just a couple of minutes ago, they had big smiles on their faces. They said they couldn't believe it. They were surprised by the ruling, but very grateful for it as well. We're going to hear from them and attorney Demario Solomon Simmons in that news conference. I'm heading inside right now, and I'll have some information, and you'll hear from them tonight at 6. Reporting live at the Greenwood Cultural Center, I'm Naomi Keitt, 2 News Oklahoma.